In the special section of the client's profile, there's the list of managing traders featuring high profitability on their trading accounts. For the investment convenience, traders are divided and sorted according to different parameters that you can customize. When selecting suitable traders for copying, you can add them to the favorite list and follow their trading in future. In addition, you can customize the parameters displayed in the trader's card: profitability chart, risk level, number of investors, the amount of money managed. To study the trader's performance in more detail, you can switch to the trading terminal, where you will see the detailed profitability chart in the history of trading account, as well as the full trading statistics. Currently open trades of the trader, detailed trading history, detailed information about the trader and the commission charged by the trader for copying his or her trades. If there are any questions, the client can write a message to the trader and discuss all the investment details. After you have selected a suitable trader, you can start copying his or her trades by one click. Copying of the trader selected will be displayed on the portfolio panel, and you will see the results as soon as the trader enters his or her next trade. You can change the amount of funds you invest in the trader at any moment. You can increase or reduce it. For a partial withdrawal of your funds from copying, you can withdraw the amount that isn't currently used for copying. To reduce a potential loss or fix the profit, you can set the amount of loss or profit upon reaching which your investing will be stopped. You can customize the parameters for copying as well as stop it at any moment you wish.